Hello friends! This sweet recipe is not only delicious but also super easy to make. Let's start with 250 grams of semolina, 1 apple that's around 120 grams. Take 7 cardamom pods, open them and extract the seeds. 10 chopped raisins. Break 10 cashew nuts into small pieces. 10 chopped almonds. 15 strands of saffron. And 1 banana that's around 110 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a mixer and add roughly chopped apple and banana. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar, that's 1/4 cup. And grind it into a smooth paste. Then transfer the ground paste to a bowl, add half cup of milk and mix everything well with the help of whisk or a spoon. And keep the fruit paste aside. Next, take saffron, add 1 tablespoon of warm milk and mix it well. Then set it aside and let it soak. Now take a pot and add 1/4 cup of pure ghee. Then add cardamom seeds, cashews, almonds, and raisins. Now stir fry for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add semolina, stir fry for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add ground fruit paste. Keep stirring on low flame so that no lumps form as the mixture thickens. Now turn off the flame and add saffron milk. Mix it well. Now grease the bowl with ghee. Then transfer the Sooji Halwa to the bowl and level it with a light press. Then take a plate and keep it on the bowl and do it upside down. Carefully lift the bowl after giving few taps on it. And our Sooji ka halwa is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!